Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the generate PDF dynamically in the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the library, that is PDF library. So here you can see that we have a documentation for that one. And here we have the sample code for the PDF. So let's use that one. Okay. So we have the examples also. So this is a basic example for the generating the PDF. We have also created the example for that one. So here we have, so let's generate the PDF one. Okay, let's go to the server.js file. So let's comment the previous code and add the code over there. Okay, save this. Let's go to the terminal and run this node. We need to install this first of all. So we have to install this package, that is npm install PDF-Lib. Okay, so here we have, so install this package first. Okay, so this is installed. I'm using the Node.js 20 version. Okay, node server.js. Let's PDF generated as output.pdf. Here you can see that the PDF is generated. Currently it's showing the 0 bytes because here you can see hello dynamic PDF. We have just draw the rectangle. Here you can see, and here you can see that we have just page.draw rectangle and save the PDF file, pdf-doc.save, and write into the file, that is output.pdf. Okay, and here you can see that we have a draw text also with the hello dynamic PDF. Here we can see that the height, width and everything we have mentioned. This is the text we have drawn, and here we can see that we have a font size and the draw text we have defined over here. Okay, so if you want to generate the PDF dynamically, so you can use this library. Okay, so these are the functions that is used over here. Here you can see that. So here you can pdf.add page. Here you can see that the draw text. Okay, and doc, save the doc, right? So here you can see that the create PDFs in the JavaScript is awesome. Okay, so here they have used this method pdf.text. Okay, so it just, this is for creating the text, and they have also mentioned the font size, width, and they have initialized with the pdf-doc.add page. Okay, and if you want to embed the fonts, then you can use that one, times from one font. Okay, so here you can see that create a new PDF document, add a blank page. Okay, after this set the font size and the draw text. So here we have set the font size and draw the text. Okay, and color you can define custom color blue I am using. Now you can draw the rectangle over there. So put x y axis, y axis, you have to define accordingly, and then save the PDF as a file. Okay, in the, and save that file and write into the output.pdf, and this PDF will automatically generate it. So this is how you can generate the dynamic PDF very easily. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.